Let's learn Japanese adverbs. Chotto, a little. Chodo, exactly. Daijobu, okay, alright. Dandan, gradually. Do, how, in what way, how about. Domo, thank you, thanks. Dosite, why, for what reason, how. Dozo, please. Hajimete, for the first time. Hitori, one person, alone, single. Ichiban, number one. Ikaga, how, in what way, how about. Ikura, how much. Ikuchu, how many. Iro, various. Ishoni, together. Ichumo, always, usually. Kekko, enough. Mada, still, not yet. Maeni, in front of, before. Masugu, straight, ahead. Minna, all, everyone, everybody. Mutto, more, longer. Mo, already, anymore, again, other. Naze, why, how. Onazi, same. Suguni, immediately. Sukosi, a little bit, small, quantity, few. Ichu, when. Ichuka, sometime. Ichumo, always. Dosite, why. Doyate, how. Do, how. Donna, what kind of. Dari, who. Darini, to whom. Dareno, whose. Daremo, anyone. Dareka, someone. Nani, what. Nanika, something. None, what. Nanimo, anything. This is am. Mother, still. Mo, already. Doko, where. Dokoka, somewhere. Thanks for watching.